Can you toss me the measuring tape? What's his name? Oh, B-I-B-I-B-I-B-I. Oh, hey y'all, welcome back to Shalom Meadows. If you're new here, welcome. This is the series of flipping this trailer office building from the 1960s, 70s into our home. Excuse me. Today we're gonna get back to sanding, and then probably put some trim up. got a little tick on my throat. I'm not sick. I got a little coochie coo in my throat. But we're gonna finish sanding that, and that should be all we have to sand with the ceiling. As you can see, peekaboo. If you can't, it's dark. We're gonna get back to sanding, right here and get it done. Put some trim up for Monday's video as far as my thankages are right now. Thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell. Thumbs up now.
And while he is sanding the ceiling, I'm going to be wood filling this window trim frame seal stuff so we can paint it. Yeah.
So what you doing? Playing bingo?
Yeah.
Huh? What? And I want to tell y'all too, I made a little oopsie on that trim. Instead of taking it down, I have a plan. And a lot of time my plans are wacky come backy, smacky wacky. So hopefully it works. I might have to take it down. I don't want to take it down. I might be a little too close to y'all. I apologize. It'll be alright.
Straight up.
Lane, shut your balls and close your mouth.
Here, yeah. Go back a bit. Right there.
I don't know if she said this. She might have said it before. I can't remember. But when we get done with the house, we're going to go back and see how much it took, what the budget was to get the house done. And try to break it down for y'all. Like how much this was, how much that was. And the wood went up at one point. Now the wood's back down. We got a lot of stuff before. I'm not using the word. I'm not going to use the word. A lot of stuff went up. You know what the word is. But yeah, so that was a blessing that we got all that before then. So I think we even got this before that time. So we actually have been doing the house for a little over a year. If you haven't realized, if you haven't watched the videos, go back. There was one point in time when we had to take a little break. And then we was like, I'm just want to give y'all a little story. Then we was like, we got to get in that house. So we got to go over at night. We got to go over in the day. Thank you for watching.
But, and we can cut it.
Oh. On top of this cabinet. Hopefully when we finally open it, it doesn't fall apart from me standing on it.
Oh my gosh, I know.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. that's the way it feels sometime working in the house.
I'm not putting.
I actually got stabbed.
I'm so sorry.
Be like if it makes any. Oh Lord. Woo! Just checking us out.
They really are.
People just like checking us out around here, y'all.
Yeah, we got some good neighbors.
We got some good neighbors.
And then we're going to be getting to the walls in here so we can paint the walls in here.
Oh yeah.
Going to be too long or too short?
About this much.
Dude, please. Are you listening? That's like almost exactly the same.
The way it looks right now, it looks kind of like a racetrack. Go straight down the middle. Don't get on either side. Let's go, Billy Bob! Get out. You grow wings?
Dead spiders can't
You
fly.
grow wings? But grow wings. This ain't Red Bull. People. What's 1 plus 1? It's 2. Oh yeah, risk taker, brain baker. Oh, what? I meant brain breaker. My bad. And we're done with that one. Woo!
Yeah, it is still.
She almost fell. No, I'm kidding. I'm joking. Are you okay, my dear? Is your little seat well? Just want to make sure her little seat's well, because she about fell on her little tush. I'm making fun of people that like country or anything. I'm not doing that. Can you toss me the measuring tape? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 911. About broke my ankle again. I've been hurt 29 times today. How's that? I ran and jumped on top of my vehicle twice and slid down, and they're like, and then she stabbed me. Oh, she stabbed me with wood or whatever that is. Oh God, see, she don't even know what it is.
Yeah, it is.
She tabbed me. See, she tabbed me. And I fell off the ladder. Where in the world is the measuring tape? Oh my gosh. Is my foot size still the same? Oh, how's that? Oh, I don't know. I about refractured my fractured, going straight down the backwards. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. What do you do? I don't know. Yeah, I'm okay. Scared me. But don't try to catch anything when you're on the ladder. Say, can you toss it to me, please, and get off the ladder and get it tossed to you. Okay? What am I going to do? Stand here and say, I about got hurt. Who sung that song? I don't know. I just made it up, I think. But who knows? Billy Bob Smacky Woo. Cause let's get to work. And he means Sue. And he don't mean my aunt. It says 38 3/4. Close enough. Get out of here! Shoot! He got pee. It's like that old saying. The old joke, the captain had the man. What are they called again? The guy that was up in the crow's nest. I forgot what it was called. But he had that coming. I don't know what that was. Meaty. Just in case he died, the rest of the crew would keep fighting. And then one guy, the guy in the crow's nest, said, "Captain, I see many, many ships coming." Whoa! Whoa! What? I hope you enjoyed this Monday's video. Again, we run out of materials. We gotta get more materials. I mean, that's the whole. I want to say blunt force because it's like, gotta get more. Yeah, gotta get more. You know, so it's like a blunt blow to the jaw, or you know, the stab from your wife from wherever that is in the stomach. She hit me too. I accept her apology. What'd you say? She said I'm sorry. Okay, thank you for coming back and watching again. Don't forget, we're gonna have another video on Wednesday, and check us out at Shalom Meadows on TikTok. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you'll know when the videos are coming out. Give us a thumbs up. Shalom, y'all.